Now this is a bowl. You assume that there is a milk in it, and you are just heating it, and you are just placing the plier and holding it. Okay. Now if the plier is faulty and the milk is too hot, then the bowl will tilt and the milk will fall down, and the milk will fall down on your leg. So I will tell you why the milk falls and why it turns down due to the moment. I will explain you the thing in a piece of paper. Just you see, now this is a bowl. Now there are forces in it. This is not so simple, but you just see, this is the weight of the milk along with the bowl. So, and this, if it is a perfect plier, then the two sides will meet at one point. Two sides of the plier, which is holding the bubble, will be in a line. This force F in this direction and F in this direction, and keep it, and there is a moment given by your hand which will neutralize this moment. This W into R is a anti-clockwise moment in the vertical plane, and the direction is perpendicular to the paper and away. This is towards you, towards me, towards the viewer, and this is clockwise, and this is away from me, means in the other side of the paper, and it is perpendicular to the paper. Now what happens, this force, how this mu n is coming, what is mu, the coefficient of friction, this mu n in this side and this mu n in this side, so there will be twice mu n, and this is upward because the weight can come down. There will be a motion of this bowl in the downward direction under gravity. So twice mu n is equal to W. This is the vertical forces should be equal. Now, and F is the force given by the plier, and this will be normal reaction will be the same as the force. So mu into n is in the upward direction from inside of the bowl, and outside the bowl mu n also in the outside. Mu is constant in both the sides. So this is twice mu n into n W. So this is very clear that moment by this force is a anti-clockwise moment, and this is MP is a clockwise given by the plier. Okay, these two are equal. Okay, M is equal to MP. Now this system, when a plier is perfect, there is no danger. Only you have to understand this friction must be there. Okay, so plier should be rough, so there will be a friction. So this is the, I will just, you just note down. So this is the total figure. Okay, now mu will be equal to W by 2n. This should be the friction. This is required. This is the condition. This is weight of the bowl and the normal reaction given by the plier. It should be satisfied. Now, when the faulty plier, what I mean the faulty plier means, this is a plier and this, when you just put this one in together, this will be in the forces, the plier will be in the matching. But if it is this side, something goes in this direction and this goes in a little bit, not much. If it goes this direction and this downward goes in this direction, this goes in this direction and this goes in this direction, so there is a eccentricity. So what happens, this is a faulty plier, there is a eccentricity when you just press the plier on the bowl. Okay, now what happens, the whole system is in the previous one X, but here in this case F and F in the same line, so there is no moment due to this F in this section. Okay, now here F and F are not in the same line of action, so there is a eccentricity E. So F into E, this makes a couple. This F and this F will make a couple. So moment of the couple will be F into E in the clockwise. Now in this direction. So when this is a hot milk, you are taking it to the dining table, then what happens to from the kitchen to dining table, this is tilted. This moment will cause the bowl to be tilted, so that if it is tilted, what will happen. The milk will come out and it will fall on your feet. So there will be a dangerous thing may happen. Okay, so for the safety point of view, the plier should not be faulty. If the plier is faulty, this is the actually first class lever. Okay, this is the fulcrum and this is load will be here, and this the force will be in this here. So this is a first class lever, and this you have to see that this lever is not this plier is not faulty. Okay, so you understand that this is the mechanics of that bowl. So what will happen, if this is a faulty, you make it correct. You go to the shop and make it correct by hammering and placing it together. You can do it yourself or you make it from outside. Okay, so this moment, now I will roll on such that you can see it, and if you have any questions you can give in the comment. Okay, and this is not in equilibrium. This is in equilibrium, but this is not totally in equilibrium. There is a extra moment, and due to that moment the bowl is tilted. Thank you very much.